A cat singing Old MacDonald.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cat, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere.
Who's that Pokemon? It's Pikachu! Pikachu!
A Yoda toy found in Target. A snake trying to eat someone's birds.
Get the fuck... Oh, fuck's sakes. Bro. No. You can't have my fucking birds. Fucking settle down. Settle the fuck down.
A dog helping their owner with a snake. A self-balancing cube. A sandstorm from the Sahara Desert, making the snow on this mountain look like sand. Greek soldiers dressed in fancy dresses. A deep river in a forest.
Holy crap! Wait a minute. Holy crap, guy. No! No, I can't. No! No! You.
The Milky Way is estimated to have 200 billion stars. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Really hope you enjoyed. Have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one. Nick a bit.